Glam Fam?
Stop! What up, Glam Fam?
What up, Glam Fam?
Welcome to our channel. I'm Kristen.
And I'm Lindsay.
And we are 5678 Glam. Today we are going to be unboxing our January Boxycharm.
If you'd like to see how we got this look using all of our Boxycharm products, just keep watching.
So we're gonna jump right into the box.
All right, so.
Hello, Charmer.
Okay, so this month's box is Rock 2018.
Cool.
We're gonna rock it.
So there's 5 products in this month's box. And the first one that I see that is standing out is this eyeshadow palette. Isn't that exciting?
This is the Crown Pro Glam Metals palette. This retails for $25. Rock your look with the Crown Pro Glam Metals eyeshadow palette.
So there's 8 shimmer shades, and then you have 1 matte black in the corner over here, which is really great because every palette should have a matte black in it. Okay, so I'm going to be using the matte shades from the Nubian palette by Juvia's Place.
And I'm using the Morphe Kathleen Lights palette. I'm going to use the matte shades in here. Before we go in with the Crown brush palette,
I'm going to be combining these 2 shades, this like matte peachy color and then this matte transition color. And that's just going to go right in the crease.
I'm going to use this mauve shade right here to kind of go in the crease.
Pigmented!
I'm going for a bold look.
Okay.
And now I'm going to use this dark, it's not black, it's like a charcoal shade here to darken things up. I'm getting dark. I'm going dark.
Now that I have this warm situation going on in the crease, I'm going to take this shade right here, which is like a little bit of a deeper, warm brown shade. And that's going to go just all throughout the crease.
I'm just taking a clean brush to blend everything so I don't have any harsh lines. Now that we have our crease shades and transition shades, we're going to go into the Glam Metals palette, and I am going to be using this golden shade called Rock On, and I'm going to put this all over the lid.
And I'm going to take the shade Wild Thing, which is this shade here, and I'm going to be putting that all over the lid. I'm also going to be taking my MAC Fix Plus, and I'm going to spray the brush to get the full intensity of this eyeshadow. It like almost matches my crease perfectly.
Sometimes with the shimmery shades, I like to use my finger because they come out really pigmented looking. And these shades are really pigmented.
Yeah, I'm loving this.
Look how pigmented.
It's pigmented!
And this palette does have a mirror in it. It's kind of small because it's in the shape of a guitar, but it's actually... It is!
It's kind of
Listen,
small.
at least it has a mirror. That's a plus.
This shade is like a beautiful burgundy.
And now for more intensity, I'm going to take the brush, dip it into the shadow, and then spray it with MAC Fix Plus.
What I do recommend is either taking your finger or maybe wetting the brush so that you don't have fallout and make a mess everywhere. I actually like it. I like it.
I like it.
So now that I have Wild Thing all over the lid, I'm going to take the shade Rebel, which is like a copper shade, and I'm going to take that and put that in the center for a pop of color, almost like a halo eye.
And I'm going to take the matte black called Black Metal, and I'm going to darken the crease and also the outer V.
I really like this shade. It added such a nice pop to the center, if you can see that. And I'm impressed.
I'm impressed.
Yeah.
And this matte black seems to be blending nicely. I just recommend that you go in with your brush and then tap out the excess. I think this is a really good matte black.
I've never, I didn't know that Crown had eyeshadows.
No, I thought they were just made brushes. That's pretty cool.
Now I'm going to take Wild Thing again, and I'm just going to put that on the inner and outer corner of the lid. And you don't really have to wet your brush for this part. This is just to help blend the middle shade.
This is a really bold look. The matte black blended extremely well. There is fallout, as you can see, but don't worry. We'll clean it up. I'm just going to use the Rock On shade one more time and intensify the gold because some of it got blended away.
And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take kind of a mixture of all of the mattes and help blend out the crease because I have that metallic shade all over the lid, so I just want it to all blend seamlessly together. And this brush is great for that.
Right, let's see what else we have in the box.
Okay, next item.
Whoa.
Nice.
Okay.
So this right here is the Dr. Brandt Pores No More Luminizer Primer. It retails for $38. I love this brand, Dr. Brandt.
Yeah. And blended out, it just gives like the nicest little sheen. Okay, so we're just putting some on the back of our hand and then we're going to blend it onto our face.
So more recently, I've been liking to look glowier. I used to always like to look more matte, but now I'm all about the glowy now.
It smells pretty good.
I think I'm going to put a little bit more on, actually. I just want to glow, okay?
Hands to the heavens. And it's not super hydrating. If you do have dry skin, I think you'd need like a moisturizer underneath it.
I agree. I definitely see some little like specks of glitter from this primer on my skin.
So if you like that, you're going to love this primer, but if you don't like a glittery, shimmery base, you're not going to like it.
Want to jump right into the face?
Yes.
So we're going to do our face off camera. So next item that we see here in the box.
This is from the Brandt Pure. It's the Bronze and Brighten Cheek Palette. This retails for $34. And on the go... Ooh.
Wow.
That's gorgeous. This is an on-the-go highlight, bronzer, and blush palette with 3 skin-perfecting powders to create an effortless and sun-kissed glow on every skin tone. Featuring Pure's fan favorites Afterglow and Mineral Glow, along with the new blush shade, Blushing Glow. Throw this in your bag and you're ready to go.
Just throw it in.
Don't throw it in. It's gonna break.
These are really pretty.
So
I'm gonna swatch them. Wow. Okay, so these are really, really, really pigmented.
Whoa.
Okay, so here's the 3.
Whoa.
That is beautiful. That highlight looks like it's going to be so blinding.
Okay, so we are going to use this bronzer to bronze up the skin. Just go in with a light hand. Light.
This is very warm toned. You can see like the reddish tones from the bronzer, but I think it's very pretty. It's giving a nice glow.
This would be really good in the summertime because of the shimmers.
I would recommend though going in with a light hand because this is really pigmented.
Now we're going to go in with the blush shade right here. Again, light hand. It's very pretty though.
It's a beautiful peach blush. I really like this palette.
This is great.
I could totally see myself using it again.
And this is great to travel because you have all 3 shades right here. One palette.
And last but not least, we are going to use the middle shade, which is the highlight shade, to highlight the cheekbones. And this shade is called Afterglow.
Woo!
Look at that.
Glow, baby, glow. Whoa. I love it. Glam Girl approved.
All right. So next item in the box that we have here is the It Cosmetics Brow Power Universal Eyebrow Pencil. It retails for $24.
Right, so I'm going to use the spoolie to just brush out my brows, and then we're going to jump right into it.
Oh, I like the shape of this too.
All right.
Okay. I'm going to do the same thing.
Okay. This brow product is in the shade Universal Taupe. Next brow. The formula is very easy to work with.
Yeah, it's not too waxy.
Your brows, but better.
That's what it's called?
No.
So our eyebrows are on. I really like the product.
Me too.
I'm happy with that. So now we're gonna go back to our eyes and finish up what we didn't do. I'm gonna take the shade Black Metal on this flat definer brush, and I'm just gonna use this to line my upper lash line. And I'm gonna use the guitar mirror because I'm going to.
And I'm using Black Metal to do the lower lash line.
So now I'm gonna do the same thing and take Black Metal on the same flat definer brush and use that in my waterline as eyeliner.
This applies really nicely, and it's super pigmented that you don't even need.
Yeah.
You don't even need a pencil eyeliner underneath.
It's so dark. I'm gonna take the shade The Wicked here, and I'm gonna use that on the lower lash line to smudge out the black. And to darken up the lower lash line even more, I'm going to take the shade Black Metal and I'm going to put that on the outer portion of the lower lash line.
And to complete our eye look, we're going to use the highlighter shade in here to highlight the brow bone as well as our inner corners.
Oh my god. That is so pigmented.
I love it.
Can't even handle it. I love this. I love this highlighter. Boxycharm has put good highlighters in Rodeo Drive, and now this.
This is amazing.
Now I'm just going to take it on the inner corner.
Okay, so we just applied mascara off camera, and we're back to share with you the last item in the box.
All right. Here we go. Last item. So I have here this Girlactik.
Wait, we have something different? Oh my god, we have different, first time ever, we have different products.
Yeah, this is the first time ever. We always have the same items. I have the Girlactik Matte Lip Paint. It retails for $23. It is one of the original liquid lipstick formulas that is still true to its words. It's lightweight, long-wearing, non-cracking, and won't settle. For better application, do not apply a lip balm or lip primer before application. Fine, I won't. I don't even have one of these yet. I'm so excited.
Ooh.
So here it is. It looks like a nice nude shade. So the shade name is Posh, and I'll give you a swatch of it. It's like a very creamy formula. Here's the shade. It's a nice, I would say like a dark nude. So yeah, I'm excited to try it out. What do you have?
Okay, so this is from Grande Cosmetics. I love their...
I was gonna say, that's your brand.
I love their lash enhancing serum. That's like all-time favorites. Check it out in our best of 2017. Anyway, it's from Grande Cosmetics. It's the GrandeLIPS Hydrating Lip Plumper. And this is in the shade Midnight Purple. This retails for $27. This lip plumper infused with Volulip and hyaluronic acid instantly improves lip volume within 3 to 5 minutes while hydrating dry areas. Results may vary.
Okay.
Oh my god, I'm so excited to try it. This is what the packaging looks like. Again, Midnight Purple. And, ooh, look at the applicator. Don't be alarmed when you feel a pleasant tingling sensation in the lips. That's how you know GrandeLIPS is working.
Keep clicking.
Okay, you apply yours. I'm gonna keep clicking.
Ah! It matches your shirt.
I'm rocking this look.
I'm gonna line my lips with the Jordana Easy Liner in the shade 20 before I apply the liquid lip. Okay, so now that my lips are lined, I'm going to go in with the lip paint.
Okay, so I'm definitely feeling like a tingly on my lips. And I love how I was a little bit nervous about the color, but the more that you blend it in, it kind of applies like a gloss, so it just gives your lips a perfect amount of pigment. But I think my lips are looking quite juicy. Oh, that's pretty.
I really like this a lot.
It matches your eye look really nicely.
Let me tell you, it smells like cake.
Oh, okay.
I love this.
Buttercream.
Oh my god, delicious. Delicious. I love it. It's so comfortable on the lips, not drying at all. I'm really loving this formula of the Girlactik lip paint, and I cannot wait to get more. I'm so happy it came in the box because I was dying to try them. Transfer proof.
Whoa.
Whoa!
That's great. Girlactik, you're doing great. I'm impressed.
I'm impressed.
Okay, so that completes our finished looks using all of the Boxycharm products for the month of January.
Depending on the items you received in your box, the overall value will vary. My box retails for $144, which is insane.
And since I had the different lip product, my box was $148. Whoa.
That's crazy because, again, Boxycharm is only $21 a month. You get 4 to 5 full-size products, and we can't say enough how much we love it.
This was really a great box. Honestly, like, I love everything. Like, there's not one product that I'm like, I love everything in the box.
I can't even handle it. I will definitely use everything that we received in our boxes again.
Definitely.
Definitely.
Rock on, Boxycharm. We hope you all enjoyed our January Boxycharm unboxing. Let us know down below which product you've been loving from this month's box.
Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and we will see you in our next video. Bye!
I have to say something.
Me too.
Tone. Okay.
Spit it out!
Featuring. And we like to do our eyeshadow first because if we make it, if there's a.
I look like a hunchback. Look at me.
No, so maybe it'll be good.
Pretty.
Not yet.
Sorry.
Don't compliment me yet. But you know what? Sue me. Whatever.
Whatever. Sue me. Sue me. Sue me. I'm sorry.
Help yourself.
Help yourself. Get out.
Get out. It's fine.
Good. Hey. Keep it down. Hey everyone, this is the Kristen Show. Today Lindsay can't be here because she has to take care of Louis because he's barking. But I'm taking over.
Hey.
This is my show.
I'm back.
We'll definitely use everything.
Whoa! Alright. From January's box.
Was it good? It's fine.